So we have the scaffolding up. My and Abe are out here playing. And so the first challenge is just getting that bottom level and getting it together, because you really need two people to hold it while you put the cross pieces on. One thing I forgot to point out, so on the platforms I have some, I think it's 5/8 inch thick plywood pieces, and then two of them have 1/2 inch. So I do like the thicker for stability. They are heavier though, so going up in the air it is more weight, but I think I'm going to do is get 3 or 4 more, because they're so handy, they're so nice. And I do have another set of 2 foot, so actually my scaffolding will go higher, but we don't really need it higher at this point. The other thing so now that I got it in place, I was looking at it, and it turns out this is where I was planning on putting the post, on this big stone here. But the stone is slightly slanted, so I've taken some smaller stone, put them underneath. Some bigger ones and smaller, to try to level it up. And I was thinking last night, I had this grout that had gotten hard, and I threw it over in my fill area, but I just pulled it out. What I'm going to do is put it on here, hit it with a hammer, because it seems like it would break apart, to try to even level this off even better. And then I'm going to come up, I think about 2 feet with granite pieces. I have another one right here, another one over here. I need to get the silicone off, which is really hard to do. Silicone really sticks to granite. So I think I'll have to get some more pieces, but we'll get it built up. That way we can build our posts right in place, and then we can put our first rafter in and then go from there.